Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Katie Shindig, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or if you're new here, hi, I'm Katie. Nice to meet you. Today, I am back with another Stitch Fix unboxing. I know it has been a while since I've done a Stitch Fix unboxing. I just haven't felt them very exciting, if we're being honest. But we're still gonna unbox it because I have it, so why not? So today we're doing a Stitch Fix unboxing. For those of you that do not know how Stitch Fix works, basically you pay $25 for a stylist to put together 5 items for you based off of a quiz. Whatever you keep, you get $25 off of because of your styling fee. And if you keep all 5 items, then you get like 25% off or something. Don't quote me on that. I will have a link down below to get your first box without a styling fee. Okay, so without further ado, let's unbox the Stitch Fix. So first thing I have here is the envelope to send everything back in. And then I have a card from my stylist about what's in here. And then I have my price sheet. In here, looking in the box, I can tell we have shoes because of the packaging. And then we have a package of clothes. So because I'm me, I always start with the shoes, and it looks like these are the Gravic Metallic Detail Sandal by Report Footwear, and they are $35. Oh, they're blue. Okay, so they're just these blue sandals. I'm not going to try them on for you because I haven't got a pedicure, but I will try on the clothes. Honestly, I'm not going to keep these sandals. I have way too many sandals already, and I'm not a huge fan of the thong style. I think it makes my feet look flat and fat. These I definitely will go ahead and tell you I'm going to send back. Now on to the clothes. The first thing that I see is the French Gray Triana Brush Knit dress for $48. That is just this dress. I think that this dress is very cute. However, I don't find it the most flattering thing on me. I think that the top is a little bit looser than I would like it to be. I just feel like it's not very flattering on my bust region. Other than that, I like the skirt part. I like the colors. I think it looks really good with my skin tone. But I'm just not a huge fan of this top part up here, so I will be sending this dress back. The next thing that I see is this Market and Spruce Bridget knit dress for $68. I actually really like this dress. I think it's very flattering on me. It's snug enough to like fit my small body, but it's not too snug that I'm like, oh, I can't walk. I actually really like this. I do not like the price of $68. But to be 100% honest with y'all, I do have a $25 Stitch Fix credit, thanks to you guys for always using my referral link, that I could use to get this dress for that. Let's see, that would take it down to 40 something. So I do think that I will be keeping this dress. I just think it's very flattering on me. I think it's a good length. The stripes look awesome. It makes me look like I have a figure. Like, it just looks good. I love the olive, I love the green, and I love the angle. I feel like it makes my legs look really good, and I will definitely be keeping this dress. The fourth thing that I see is this 9 Britain Jessica smocked back dress for $58. I think this dress is so cute. I love the top, how it has this little V. Obviously, I would not normally wear a tank top with it, but that's what I was wearing for this video. I think it's nice and structured. It kind of gives me some body. But also, like, the fit of this is just so girly and so cute and so princessy. I just want to spin. I just wish at the beginning of the summer when I had weddings to go to that I had this dress. I have nowhere to wear it. I feel like this is too, like, the material is like satiny, so it's like not really a huge public dress. Like, you wouldn't just go to the store in this dress. I mean, you could, no judgment, but I wouldn't. But it's so cute. I just wish I had a vacation or somewhere to wear it. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this dress or not. So let me know what you guys think down below in the comments if I should keep it or not. And last but not least, we have the NYX by 41 Hawthorne Allison knit t-shirt dress for $38. Let me tell you, a t-shirt dress is a good way to get me. To be honest, I freaking wear these things all day and then sleep in them like nightgowns. If I have a bra on, which is not very likely, I just take it off, and then I sleep in them too. I just find them so comfortable. I wish it was like the perfect temperature to wear t-shirt dresses all the time. However, I have a lot. And there are 2 dresses in this box that have a little bit more like colorfulness in them and a little bit more shape than a t-shirt dress does. So I don't think that I'll be keeping this dress. But a t-shirt dress is a good way to get me. Okay, so in conclusion to this Stitch Fix, I think that Stitch Fix wised up. The last few boxes that they've sent me, I've just sent everything back. I haven't even made a video. I've been very unexcited. And they wised up. They were like, this girl always keeps our dresses. Because I do. I love dresses. To be honest, I love them. They're easy. I just wish I could figure out how to wear them in the winter too. Help a girl out if you know how. Please help a girl out if you know how. I think that I am at least keeping 1 dress and maybe 2 depending on what you guys tell me. I'm going to go ahead and pack everything up, but I'm not going to close my package because I want to keep this blue dress out and let me see what you guys think before I do anything. But I do know that I'm sending the shoes back, the black t-shirt dress, and the first dress that I tried on. So I'm going to go ahead and package those up and get ready to send them back. Not make any hasty decisions though. So this will be my last Stitch Fix video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to let me know what you think about the dress. And I will see you guys in my next video.
Thank you so much for watching.